your philosophy teacher at Plutus IS. I know you might be thinking that philosophy is so abstract. How will I cover the syllabus? How will I understand it? How will I link the philosophers? How will I put the examples? How will I draw the diagrams? This is so vast. But thing is that you are not understanding the syllabus properly. You are not taking philosophers individually, or maybe you are not seeing my classes regularly. Because if you would have, you wouldn't be asking this question. So how to score 300, how to cover the syllabus, how to put the examples, how to draw the diagrams, this is what we'll discuss, and why we should choose philosophy optional. We'll be understanding all of these things together. Now there are perks of choosing philosophy altogether. Why? Because philosophy is not a subject which is for optional only. Philosophy is a subject which is covering all other subjects also. In essay, in other GS, your character, it helping you in building the interview. There are different things it's helping you. So the only thing you have to understand is that it's not just an optional. It is something more than that. It's for you, which is helping you to build a character, which is helping you to understand the society, which is helping you to understand the perspective. And I think philosophy optional is not just a subject, it's the way we live. So the perks of choosing philosophy. So it's the most popular and scoring optional subject in UPSC. Now why I'm saying scoring? Because if you are seeing my regular classes, if you are taking all the philosophers individually and comparing them, and you are formatting the answers in a way which makes it unique, then you can score 300 marks. And I'm saying it because I've seen students working in this way. So it provides clarity of thoughts, improves analytical ability, and overlap with GS paper ethics and SS sections. It's not just a paper which is, for optional. It's a paper which is covering other paper also, other subjects also. It's building your character. It's going to help you when you'll sit on that chair to give an interview. The character you are going to build is because of these philosophers, these perspectives. So if you are in my class, you are having a discussions, you are going to contradict each and every philosopher. It will help you to analyze, understand, and make decisions properly. So philosophy optional is a perk, it's an advantage, right? So first of all, most of the students choose philosophy because syllabus is very short, it's easy to cover, right? Indian Western philosophy, religion, right, political, it's like only these four things and you are good to go. All you need is practice, Shivani ma'am's class, right, a discussion, PYQs, practice, and then you can score anything, right? Then high scoring potential, clear and precise answers fetch marks. If you can understand each and every philosopher's theory and you can contradict them, then you're good to go. There is nothing science written in philosophy. It's the society we are reading, it's the life we are reading, it's the comparison that we are doing, it's the PYQs that we are doing, it's the discussion that we do in Shivani ma'am's class. Simple as that, right? Then overlap with GS4 and ethics essay. So there are lots and lots of questions which come from philosophy, right? And especially GS4 and essay. Real is rational, rational is real. It came in 2021, right? So this was philosophical question, right? So enhance critical and logical thinking. Western philosophy and Indian logic, Western logic and Indian logic. If you are covering all these things, you can analyze things, you can critically evaluate them, you can understand them, and you can somewhere put in your life as well, right? No academic background required, accessible to all. Philosophy is like mother of all subjects. It includes physics, it includes science, it includes bio, it includes society, it includes religion, it includes, physics, chemistry, everything, right? So it doesn't matter from which background you are coming, doesn't matter what you have studied before, right? I have seen so many students who gave their mains in different in subjects, right? But then they chose philosophy and then they scored good. Why? Because the syllabus is short, because this subject has nothing to do with academic background, right? Anyone can attempt it, anyone can understand it, right? So I have seen students changing their subject to philosophy because of these reasons. So if you are a person who chose philosophy optional, then I want to tell you this is the best decision that you have made in your life. Okay, then GS paper 1, Indian philosophy and social thinkers, right? Then It overlaps with political philosophy, justice and rights. In religion, we'll see these things, these thinkers. In Indian philosophy, we'll see these thinkers. Political justice and rights, in political philosophy, we'll see all of these. Comparing with all the philosophers, Indian and Western, all together, right? Then ethics and moral philosophy, there are lots and lots of questions that is being repeated. Then philosophical topics often appear in essay writing. Like the example that I gave you, real is rational, rational is irreal, right? So there is not a single subject that you cannot think that can come in philosophy subject. Every single subject is over there. We are talking about everything over there. So only thing you are missing is my class and philosophy subject to score something good. So it develops your critical thinking, it develops your logical thinking, ethical decision making, right? And clarity in expression and broader perspective on social issues. There are lots and lots of discussions which happen in my class. We do discussions, we do, contradictions of all the philosophers, and all of these things comes in philosophy. Then there are many toppers who took philosophy and scored good. Not only this, like I gave you example that there are many students who change their optional to philosophy for this only reason only, because it's not that only that syllabus is short. The reason behind it is interesting, and it has nothing to do with academic background. If you are coming with science, then you are most welcome because you will see so many scientific stories and philosophies. If you are coming from humanities background, then it's good. If you are coming from commerce background, then Marx is waiting for you, or the philosophers are waiting for you, right? So it's not only about society and life, it's about physics also, it's about chemistry also, it's about religion also. There are different subjects that philosophies come to. The only thing you are missing is my class, the discussion which happened there, and the syllabus that we discussed there, and the contradiction that we do with philosophers. So I think philosophy is a subject which can help you score very good. All you have to do is understand the syllabus, attend my classes, do PYQs, right? Come to the discussion and out classes, and then you're good to go, right? So if you are someone who wants to learn philosophy, then you won't find any better place. Philosophy optional is ideal for aspirants who value short syllabus. Yes, syllabus is short. Then high scoring nature, because syllabus is short, you can complete on time. Practice will be there, right? PYQs will be there. Then you can score good. Then overlap with GS and SA. I've given an example you for this, right? Then development of critical thinking. When you're sitting on that chair to give interview, your philosophers will help you with it. You'll reflect the ideologies. It will help you to understand the world, the environment. It will help you to evaluate the situations, to analyze the situation. Philosophy plays a major role in your character, in building your character, right? So choosing philosophy can be a game changer for UPSC success. So if you are a person who chose philosophy, then I'm saying it again, this is the best decision you have made in your life, because it's not just that syllabus is short. It holds other perspective and aspects also. So all you are missing is my class. So at Plutus IAS with me, your philosophy teacher Shivani Tyagi is waiting for you to have discussions and to help you score above 300. Thank you.